Hi, welcome to Action Bio. Today we are going to make a shortcut so you can work with our action button. So you can open any app from your action button. First of all, just go to shortcuts, create new shortcut, add action, go to web and add open URLs. Here you can paste your URL from your Action Bio dashboard. You can set up or you can just copy a template from our website. Just copy the URL and then paste it here and done. That's it. You can rename it if you like, otherwise we can just leave it like as it is. And now we can go back to the settings and set our action button to this shortcut. Let's go to action button and go to the shortcuts and select the one we just created, open URLs. Just click it and that's it. So now we can just press our action button. It will take us to the URL we just set it up, and there you can set up your all the apps which are supported to open directly from the web browser. Most of the apps can be used, so you can add or remove or sort as you want. And just here you can just click any app you like. We have set up few over here, but you can add more and delete them if you don't need it. So we can just try the files. It will open the files or books. So that's